Hey there, fitness lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the age-old debate of pull-ups versus chin-ups. Which one is better? Let's find out. Before we dive into the differences, let's quickly understand what pull-ups and chin-ups actually are. Pull-ups and chin-ups are both fantastic upper body exercises that target various muscles, but they have a slight variation in grip and muscle engagement. Pull-ups are performed with an overhand grip, where your palms face away from you. This grip primarily targets your back muscles, including the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and trapezius. It's a great exercise for building a strong and wide back. On the other hand, chin-ups are performed with an underhand grip, where your palms face toward you. This grip shifts the focus to your biceps, chest, and upper back muscles. It's an excellent exercise for developing bicep strength and overall upper body power. Now that we know the basic differences, let's talk about the benefits of each exercise. Pull-ups are fantastic for improving your posture, increasing upper body strength, and building a V-shaped back. They also engage your core muscles, providing a full body workout. Chin-ups, on the other hand, are great for targeting your biceps, chest, and upper back. They help in developing a well-rounded upper body and can be a stepping stone towards more advanced exercises like muscle-ups. So, which one should you choose? Well, it ultimately depends on your fitness goals and personal preferences. If you want to focus on building a strong back and improving your posture, pull-ups are the way to go. If you're looking to develop your biceps and chest, chin-ups will be your best bet. Now that you know the differences between pull-ups and chin-ups, it's time to incorporate them into your workout routine. Remember, variety is key when it comes to fitness, so why not try incorporating both exercises to target different muscle groups and maximize your gains? Start with a set of pull-ups to target your back muscles, aiming for 8 to 12 reps. Take a short rest, and then switch to chin-ups for another set, focusing on your biceps and chest. Alternate between the two exercises for a challenging and effective upper body workout. That's it for today's video on pull-ups versus chin-ups. Now, we want to hear from you. Which exercise do you prefer, pull-ups or chin-ups? Drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might find it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and workout routines. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us.